Daffodils. One of the things I always enjoy is looking at the different kinds. Now, we didn't buy anything fancy here. We just bought packages from like Home Depot. But you'll notice that there's different styles to the way they grow. These are yellow on the outside and the inside, and they have very large central flower thing. I don't know what they call the technical terms for the bits and pieces of the daffodil. These have yellow outsides, but their centers are orange. I don't think we have any yet that are other than that. There are some doubles that grow in here, but we don't have any open yet. But the daffodils that are over by the bird bath are a different color again. So these are white, and they have orange centers to them. Oh, I have a piece of cardboard that blew in here. That was probably one I was playing with Rufus the other day. Yeah. And you'll see these have like kind of a little bit of stripiness to the centers. Yeah. Very cool. It's always fun to see what comes up every year. Well, last night they said we would get some wintry precipitation. Everything was actually forecast to be rain until about, I want to say about 9 o'clock last night. The forecast completely changed. And yeah, this is what we woke up to this morning. Not a lot. It'll probably melt off by noon, is my guess. It's kind of slippery because it must have rained first. So it's got that sort of crunch to it that tells you there's ice underneath everything. But it looks kind of cool anyway. Very foggy this morning. You can see that the world ends at the edge of the trees there. There's nothing, you know. And I know there's an eclipse tonight, but unless it clears off a lot more than this, we're not going to be able to see it. It's trying to think what they call it. I don't remember what they call it. This particular type of eclipse. It doesn't chomp off much of the moon because the moon and the Earth are not lined up right. But I'm still hoping to see it. But we'll see, I guess, as to whether this clears out, because those clouds are just not conducive to such things. But the sky was patchy last night, so you could, 1 minute the moon would be completely covered, and the next minute it'd be nice and clear. Now, this is one of the things I'll have to watch out for this morning. As soon as it starts to warm up, I'll have to clear the panels, because that is not conducive to making solar energy. Hi, Wolfus. He just galloped across the yard. Zoom. Hi, Guy. What's up? He's like, what's Mom doing? He just decided it was time to gallop across the yard. Now he's probably thinking about taking a leak on something, but yeah, it's pretty funny. He's like a little Energizer bunny sometimes. Anyway, that's what we woke up to this morning. I sort of anticipated it might have, but there was no way to guess at bedtime. And I just wasn't going to worry about it. There's things you worry about, things you don't. This is one of those that I was not going to worry about. I'm sure my chives are loving it though. These 2 buckets that I have that used to be rose bushes, they finally died. They were like over 25 years old. And but they had chives that had decided to sprout again. Rufus says he's ready to go.